Hey. Today I'm gonna saw some 1 inch by 10 inch planks for my beehives. The idea is to make boxes for getting the honey, but right now I'm just cutting the planks for it. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. That would make me really happy. I start with squaring up the log and removing any bark on the planks, because if I leave any barks there will be larvae and stuff in the planks. And now I set the width of the log, so this is about 10 inches, and when this is finished I will flip over and start milling the planks. And here I go with the planks. I add about a quarter of an inch more than I need, so I can put it in my planer and shape it the way it should be in the end. The thickness is just above 1 inch. It's 1 inch and a quarter, and the quarter is for the planer. I had 2 logs, fairly thick. They were about 18 inch thick, so there is a lot of lumber from this. And of course a lot of sawdust, but I'm actually selling the sawdust, so it's not a total waste. And from a log like this I get about 8 to 10 finish size planks. Normally I would allow for a little bit of live edge, but when I'm doing beehives it has to be square. And after I got these 8 planks out of the log, I have the first cuts that I have removed when I square it up. So now I remove the edges of these, and I actually get another 3 full planks from the edges. So totally I got from this log 11 boards of 1 by 10 inches, and they are about 15 feet long. And here you can see the result. That's all for today. Bye bye.